G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So today we are making a very delicious summer cocktail called the Ginger Tom. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to need to do is grab one of these Old Tom gins from our good old friends down at Burleigh at the Capricorn Distillery. Delicious gin, so that's what we're using today. So the first thing we're going to do is pour 60 mils directly into a highball glass. And then we are going to load that glass up with a bit of ice. Now about 75 mils of cranberry juice. And the last piece of the puzzle is to top it up with the Diablo alcoholic ginger beer. So we're actually lucky enough to have that on tap in our showroom, but you can actually grab it from bottle shops that sell their product. So let's top this up now with the Diablo ginger beer. All right. And to garnish, we're going to use a dehydrated piece of orange. Like that. And one of our sugarcane straws. And there you have the Ginger Tom. Enjoy.